Alright, here's another one of those like fun houses. This is called George and the Jungle Madness, and it has an open slide, so don't have to worry about being stuck. So let's get in there and check it out. Hi. Okay, let's see. Get the good old punching bags.
Slide. Be sure that you are feet first. Now enjoy yourself here at the Monkey Maze. Mom,
definitely
Dad,
a monkey maze, all right.
You can join the kids too. Come on, let's all have fun in the Monkey Maze.
Whoa. I hate these rollers though. This is the one part I hate the most because no, these aren't actually moving, it's just good. Yeah, these things. Not too bad. Probably would light up at night. Oh, these are steep, man. Okay. Oh boy. Whoa. I must be getting old if this seems small to me. Okay. They don't make these things for fat guys.